Do you want to know how to convert crypto into cash easily? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have quite a lot of different videos about how you can earn crypto online without investment, and many viewers have then asked me how can they get that crypto into cash, and it is actually quite easy. And in this video I will show you one of the, in my opinion and experience anyways, easiest way to do this. So overall, when you have earned crypto and you have it in a crypto wallet, you do need to go through an exchange to be able to get it out as cash in most cases, and that's definitely one of the easiest ways to do that. And in this video, I'll show you how to do this on one of the most user-friendly platforms to do it, in my personal opinion and experience, Crypto.com. And Crypto.com is actually also the kind sponsor of this video, so I really want to give them a special shout out for that, and I appreciate the support to my channel for that. And that also means that I've been able to get an invitation code, so you can get a joining bonus if you're not yet a member of it. I will leave my invitation code below there so you can check that out. But for now, let's just focus on how you can use it to actually convert crypto into cash. So I'll now log into the app and show you exactly how to do this. So I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and the first thing you need to do if you have crypto in a crypto wallet in here is to convert it into fiat, meaning regular currency basically. So to do that, you can either use the trade button here or you can use the sell button. It will give you the same option there. So I'll just use the sell button here, and then you can choose the crypto that you have that you want to convert into cash. So in this case here, I will just choose the AVAX here. And then you just choose the amount of crypto that you want to, or you can also flip it around there, so you can choose the amount that you would like, and then it will automatically convert it there so you can see how much it is there. And then you can also choose when you then want to sell it there, then it can be as cash or you can convert it into another crypto there. But in this case, we're talking about cash, so then you need to get it into your fiat wallet. You can see where I live, it's a euro, but the exact currency will depend on the country you live in. But that's all you need to do there. I don't actually want to sell it right now here, but then you would just need to click there to sell it, and it will go into your fiat wallet there. So then you have actually converted it into cash. But you of course also need to know how can you then actually get it out, so it's not just standing in here as cash in case that is what you want. So let's talk about that next also. So when you have converted your crypto into cash or fiat money there, then there are two options that are super easy there to actually get it out. Let's start with the first one, and that is if you actually want to withdraw it to your bank. So then you would need to go to your fiat wallet where you now just have the money there. And then you just need to click here to transfer, and then you can click to withdraw, and then you can choose here that you want to withdraw the euro or whatever currency that you have there, and then you can read more about it here. And to do this, actually you need to have connected your bank account. So that means you first need to have made a deposit from your bank account. I do have a full tutorial where I talk more about how to transfer to an external bank there from Crypto.com. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner so you can check that out. But once you've done that there, you can just read here and then withdraw it, and then it will come into your bank account that you have connected here. You can see they can take a little bit, a few days, up to a few days. So quite easy, but then you will have first the money, the crypto into fiat, and then the fiat is into a bank account, and then you can use it from there. But there is another way that in many cases actually can be even easier. So let's talk about that also. So Crypto.com also gives you the option to get a Visa card, so you can actually use the crypto you have there. So you can just add it there again to your account in there, the one that's attached to the card there inside the Crypto.com app. You don't have to take anything out. So if you convert your money there, you just take it into to the account in there that's connected to the card there, and then you can just use it as a Visa card, like in any online shop, offline shop. It's super easy. I do have a card like that, and I also have other videos where I show exactly how that works. It's really convenient. They do have different options for this card, so let's just go over that quickly. So to get a Visa card, you can get one actually also without like staking any Crow. Crow is Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency there, but to get more benefits and potentially also even get cashbacks. So that means you can not only just easily spend the crypto there as cash, you can actually also earn cash back whenever you spend the card there. And there's also other benefits depending on how much you're willing to stake there. You see, this is not something you pay, this is something you stake. So you have to hold it there for a little while there, and then you will actually get these benefits there. And the cheapest one there you can see is around $400 or so. That will give you like basically Spotify for free for 6 months there. Some cashback options also, you can see some of them even like airport lounge access, 10% rebate there, Netflix, Spotify, Prime, all these like free extra things. But of course that's also a big amount that you then need to actually stake. So this is not a full tutorial about that. That's just to tell you that there are different options like that. And if you just get one of these also, if you join through my invitation link, that's when you will also actually trigger this extra joining bonus. So if you're considering this, make sure to use that code, because then you will get an extra joining bonus. But using the card is a super easy and convenient way to spend your crypto if you want to spend it as cash at some point. So as you can see, it's not complicated or anything like that to get crypto out as cash. Not anymore. It used to be more complicated, but this is still what stops many people from actually using platforms to earn crypto or investing in crypto. So because they're not sure what to then do it, how to get it out as cash. But this is just one example of how easy it is. Crypto.com makes it very user-friendly even for beginners, either with a card, or you can easily just connect your bank account and take it out into there. As mentioned, if you're not yet a member of Crypto.com, I will leave my invitation code below there, so you can also get the joining bonus if you decide to get one of the Visa cards there. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.